Hey, I'm Clara. Welcome back to the channel. So today, we're diving into the present continuous tense. This is all about actions happening right now, or things going on around this time. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll see just how useful this tense really is. Alright, let's start with the basics. The present continuous is super easy to make. You just use the verb to be, that's am, is, or are, plus your main verb with ing at the end. Like this: I am speaking. You are listening. She is reading. They are playing. See? Not complicated at all. We use this tense to describe what's happening at this very moment. Right now, I am talking to you. You are watching this video. Maybe someone near you is drinking tea, or a dog is running around outside. But it's also for things happening around this time, even if not exactly at this second. Like, she is studying for her exams this week. They are preparing for a big party tonight. It just shows that something is ongoing, you know? Now, let's compare this with the present simple real quick. The present simple talks about routines or facts. I eat breakfast every morning. She goes to work every day. But the present continuous? It's all about life in the moment. I am eating breakfast right now. She is going to work at this very second. It makes English feel way more alive and dynamic. Okay, now let me tell you a story. We're in a busy cafe and everything is happening at once. Sophie is walking into her favorite cafe. The barista is preparing coffee behind the counter. Steam is rising from the espresso machine. Customers are chatting at the tables. Someone is typing on a laptop. Plates are clinking. Music is playing softly in the background. Sophie is ordering a cappuccino. The barista is smiling and taking her order. Another customer is picking up a pastry. A waiter is carrying drinks to a table nearby. People are laughing, talking, moving all around the cafe. Sophie is sitting at a corner table now. She is opening her notebook. She is writing some notes while sipping her coffee. Her friend is waving from across the room. They are greeting each other and laughing. Outside, cars are passing by. Birds are chirping near the window. The barista is making another latte. Someone is reading a newspaper. A child is pointing at a cupcake. The whole cafe is buzzing with energy. Everything is happening at the same time. Sophie is checking her phone. She is replying to a message. Her friend is showing something on their tablet. The waiter is taking another order. And the music? It's still playing softly. Notice how all these actions are happening right now? This is exactly what the present continuous is for. Whenever you want to talk about what's happening or what's ongoing, this is your tense. Here's what I want you to try. In your daily life, look around and describe what's happening. I am listening to music. She is walking to school. They are playing in the park. Even small actions, someone typing, someone talking, a child smiling, you can describe all of these using the present continuous. And that's what makes this tense so cool. It makes your speech feel alive because it's about life in motion. Unlike the present simple, which is all about routines and facts, the present continuous shows what's unfolding moment by moment. So remember, the present continuous is happening all around us. It shows life as it happens. It captures ongoing actions. It helps us describe our world in real time. The more you notice these actions, the easier it becomes to use this tense naturally. And honestly, it's kind of fun once you start paying attention. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Clara, and I really hope you enjoyed learning about the present continuous with me. Keep practicing by observing your world and describing it as it happens. It's simple, it's fun, and it really does bring your English to life. See you next time.